Hi guys, so welcome to another catch up. It's actually the 1st of March today, Saturday the 1st of March 2025, obviously. Though not obviously, as this year's already going so fast I suppose. I've got a stinking headache, so I might be all over the place. Though I'm normally all over the place, so nothing new there. So before I show you what I've been working on, I'm going to explain a quick change we're going to have. I know I said I was going to do these weekly, but I've worked out that if I'm doing it weekly, I don't actually have much progress to show you, because between crafting, filming for my puzzle channel, you can just see a puzzle on the go there, doing stuff for my business, and the fact that my fatigue is still really bad at the moment, so I'm not actually coherent for many hours during the day, I'm really not getting much done on each project. So I think from now on I'm going to do a monthly catch up on my projects, showing you what I've done. I'll do it on the 1st of the month every month, showing you what I've done for the previous month. I think that's going to be the best bet, and then at least you can see some actual progress instead of little bits. I'll still do videos each week, whether that's a live or a sneak peek crafting working video, a short or something, just to show what I'm working on, but proper catch up videos I'm going to do once a month. So I hope that's alright. It's realistically once a week is not enough time for me to get good progress done when I have so many other things I need to be doing, and I'm struggling to be awake for longer than a few hours a day again. Hopefully one day this fatigue will sort itself out, but until then it is what it is. So I think the first thing I will show you will be the sock knitting. If you remember last time round, I said I was turning my 4-ply sock patterns into DK weight. So this is what I've got on the vanilla one done so far. I actually have a foot so I can show you it better. Most of this was actually worked while I was taking my son to, collecting my son from the airport. My youngest went to Japan with his cousin recently, and we collected him, and I worked most of this on the drive there and back just so that I had something to do while Duncan drove. So this is what I've got done so far. So I'd only just finished the toes area last time I saw you, so I've got a fair bit of progress on this one, because I was doing it while sat in the car driving up to Heathrow. So that's getting there. So this size is the 5 to 7. I personally wear the 2 to 4 size because I have tiny feet. My husband does the 8 to 10 size for himself. The only one that I've not properly had tested on my sock size patterns is the 11 to 13, because I don't know anyone with that size feet. But the math should put it about right. But yeah. So that's how far I got. So I just now need to finish doing the leg and then do the ribbing cuff. So we're getting there on that. That will definitely be finished by the time the next video gets done. And hopefully I'll be working my way through either the lace or the texture pattern, so either the beanstalk or the how to scout pattern by the time I see you next on that. And then I'm working on the Hexy dragon. Now, I didn't get as much as I'd like done on this, but the last time I saw you I'd had one leg done, one amount of leg done without the final row, and now I have 2 legs done, so that's a double copy of everything I need for leg. The last two, not the last two, these two, because these are the last 2 I made, they haven't had their ends woven, because by the time I got to this point I just wanted to get them done, because I was crashing again. By crashing I mean I literally could not keep my eyes open and I was just dropping off. So I just got them done, so that way I now can do the final rows and join 2 legs. These are both the left leg, but looking at the thing, it actually doesn't matter. It's the same pieces for left and right, it's just how you join them. So I need to double that, and then I'll have all 4 legs. So we are getting there slowly. And obviously I have the wing done, one wing. I haven't done the other one because I need the more green. So I'll show you the pattern to refresh your memory. If I can just find, got it upside down, it would be helping if I had it up the right way. So it's this one, Heidi Bear's Dragon Smorg. So yeah, I've done the thing for the 2 legs here. So we're getting there. It's slowly but surely. As I said, it's not a rush. It's just getting things done, you know, as and when I can. And I have a lot more other projects on the go that I haven't been able to touch at all yet this year, and I want to be able to do them as well, which is part of the reason I'm gonna move to monthly, because then I have time to work on them all and show you them before I run out of time and have to show you something. So it looks like I haven't got much progress, but I really have. This is the knitted broomstick lace poncho. I'm still working on the rib. It's slow work. I'm working on 2mm needles, but I am over the halfway point at this. I'm at 4 inches, so 2 more inches to go, and then I can get back to doing the actual broomstick lace part of it. And this again is my own pattern, so it will be wrote up. I still haven't got the photos done for the crochet ones, but that's all that's needed on the crochet one. I've already wrote it up, I just need to put the photos in. But this is the test run for the knitted ones, so I need to make one before I write it up to check that it all works. So that's basically it. That's all I've got done. As I said, I haven't had time to do much, which is why we're going to go monthly. Yeah, and between editing these videos also takes me even longer now, because I now try to do a subtitle at the bottom, closed caption, whatever you want to call it, and that takes a little longer to edit because Premiere Pro doesn't understand my speech. Sorry, Premiere Pro doesn't understand my speech very well, so I have to keep editing the words on it to make it actually correct. So that takes an extra day. So with 7 days, I don't actually have that many days to get a lot of crafting done at this point. So yeah, we're going to move to monthly. I hope that's alright with you guys, but I will get back to doing my lives next week, because I won't have so much pressure on trying to get other stuff done within a week, because I'll have the month to get it done. But that's about it. So I'm going to go, and I will see you all in a month for the next catch up. But hopefully weekly for my puzzle lives over on my puzzle channel, and my craft lives over on this channel, and both of them will be together on my Twitch channel. And don't forget to join the Discord if you want to share your stuff on there, if you're no longer on Facebook or Instagram, or even if you are, you can join both, it doesn't really matter. As I said, the Discord's very, very quiet at the moment because I've not been live, and it's mainly for Twitch people. Discord tends to be more Twitch people than YouTube, but there is more and more people moving over to Discord, and I just thought it was a good idea to have one so that we can all share our stuff if we want to, and also get instant notifications when I'm live. So I will see you all soon. You'll take care. Bye.